What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is kind of a bitter-sweet one because, in case obviously I haven't told you guys yet, but I'm actually selling my Challenger. And Hannah and I are currently taking off the AFE intake that I installed on it. My friend Jason's gonna be picking it up because he is buying it, and we're gonna be selling this car tomorrow. Now, while I'm a little bittersweet about it because I freaking love this car, we are making room in the garage for something else. Got something else coming in the future, a couple months. It's I'll say that it's not American Muscle. Okay, so, but yeah, a little sad because I love this car, dude. Even though it's literally covered in like tree sap because I let it literally sit in the front of the house. And we have like 2 big trees out there, and they literally, it's 2 days. It's out there for 2 days, and this is what I come back to. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like waxy, bro. It's gross, so definitely gonna have to clean this for sure. But I'm sad. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking out this intake. I'm gonna wear this GoPro thing because I kind of want to see, you know, just what we can get with it. So put on the GoPro, take off the intake, and put the stock one, which is in that box over there, back on. Cool. Should be fairly quick. Okay, so obviously the first thing we probably need to take off is the engine cover. Ooh. Sheesh. There we go. Engine cover. Just set that thing over there. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, engine. Okay. All right. So I know that this is a pinch. Yeah, this sensor comes off. Trying to think. I think there was another sensor somewhere. Oh, I should probably disconnect the battery before I. Yeah. Should I take off the positive or the negative?
Just one of them. So I take off one of them.
Just take off one of them?
Will that work?
No, let me have that socket. Yeah, that's it.
15 mil. So right now it's mostly showing your arm.
Oh.
That's a better one. It's also not the shirt to wear.
What's up?
This is not the shirt to wear.
All right, battery's disconnected. We're good there.
I think it's just these. So I think you should be good.
I think there's.
I think this.
Yeah, this is the hose.
Yeah, but I think that's it.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think that's it. Just that hose.
I don't think there's anything. Yeah, there's not a socket long enough for these. That's the only reason I didn't give you a socket.
Gotcha.
Would have been easier, but I might be able to use the.
I feel like that is loose, but I don't know. I mean, it can come off, so. Okay, this right here. Just a tad bit smaller. Let it air out.
Yeah.
There we go. And there's the scoop. Dang, there she is, dude. GT Momentum AFE power. My friend Jason is buying this bad boy. We may still need to get the clamps off because I don't think I have any clamps in that box, but we'll see. So here, just set that to the side over there. There's a thing that says like rotate, like this has like, there's like an arrow. I really think that's it. I think it just goes in there and locks. Yeah, just locks like that. And then this just clips on. Just like this thing. Just clips on like that. Is it in there?
I'm curious if it is. Can't find.
It feels like it's going. It feels like it fell into that hole. My thing is like it's not gonna be my car anymore, so I'm like, yeah, I'm not really worried about it. It's in. They need a bigger washer or something right there, because that's what's supposed to go right there. It's like definitely a wider washer or something for it to like fit around this.
I just don't know. We don't have it.
Stock intake in, big boy out over there, and then honestly, I don't know what I'm doing with this. This was like 30 bucks. I don't know. Okay, we're good. I was like, why isn't it starting? But then yeah, I forgot that I disconnected the battery. People watching this video are like freaking amateurs, dude. Hey, talk shit, get hit. Okay?
The squirky thing, that's why you disconnect the battery.
Yep.
For electrical shit.
Well, it's a good thing we did, right? So we're not like too dumb. It would also help if the wrench was going the right way.
That always helps.
All right, battery's on. Was gonna hand that to you, but never mind. Okay. Let's make sure this starts. Make sure we're good. No check engine, nothing, we're good. Yo, okay guys, so there you guys have it. We have the stock intake back in. We got the AFE back out, it's right there. We got that out. My friend Jason's gonna be coming over to buy that. That was actually really quick. We got that done hecka fast. Apparently it's raining right now.
Spitting.
It's spitting on us. Texas is like, tooey, we hate you. So honestly, if it like starts raining, I'm just gonna freaking take this car, just drive it in the rain to get all this like sap and stuff off of the freaking car, because it got dirty from sitting in the front. But yeah, man, I'm a little sad, dude. Like, this car has definitely been like my favorite car I've owned for sure. But we got something coming, right?
Yeah.
Got some cool plans coming. Some sick cars. We got some sick plans for the freaking Skyline that we're gonna do, where there's an actual code that the AC spits out if it's like one little thing. So there's a way that there's like a button that you hold on the radio. Oh wait.
We don't have a radio.
Or maybe it might be on the
It's
actual
on the-
air conditioning.
It's
Then
on the AC control.
it might be on the AC controller. I'll have to double check that video and watch. It might be on, but like there's a code 20. If it's a code 27, I think there was like something wrong with like one of the like sensors or whatever, and he literally just went in and like replaced that cable, and then his AC was perfect and it was cold. So it could be one of those two things. So we'll see. But there we go. So yeah. Basically, the basis of this video is me selling my Challenger. I'm gonna be taking it over to Jerry, the guys over at Honda of McKinney. If you guys are in like my area, say what's up. But Jerry's hooking it up. He actually, he made a really good offer on the Challenger that I just kind of, yeah, we're kind of just in that phase where like, I want something else. Cars are really hard to get by, you know, cars are really hard to come by apparently. A Dodge Challenger RT 2019 that's really good condition is pretty desirable. So I got a really good offer and I just kind of can't pass it up. It'll put a little bit of extra money in my pocket and I can help Hannah with her Skyline. So, but yeah guys, so I got the Skyline to the cool little spot that I wanted to take photos at, and I haven't really announced like what I'm doing, but we have the skyline here, and we're like in this cool like underpass and everything. And we've been taking some photos of the car and everything, getting some sick shots. But so I haven't fully announced it yet, but I'm actually releasing, or I'm maybe working on like a little cool project. Well, not little, but a huge, big project for me at least. And this has something to do with part of it. But I just got to take some really, really cool photos of the skyline underneath this underpass. Took some like B-roll and everything with the Sony camera and stuff. And I kind of just wanted to like document this moment. This is the first beginning of it all. I don't know why in my heart this is just like the beginning of everything, I think. And just this skyline is changing a lot of things. There's a car that I'm getting as well. I mean, I have to come back to the booty shot, you know? The freaking booty shot, bro. But yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Big announcement coming soon. Yeah, stay tuned. So let's freaking get it, man. But I don't know, bro. There's just something about being underneath the parking garage, taking photos of a skyline, and that I get to drive home and then share photos. I don't know, man. It's freaking crazy. I can't believe that we're here. This is nuts, dude. So, but yeah, big announcements coming soon. Thank you guys for the love and support. And yeah, look at this freaking car, dude. Just look at this thing, bro. Oh my goodness. This thing is so sick. I have so much fun driving this car. Looking at this back, just every time I look at this car and just look at this, I freaking lose it, bro. I lose it. It's so sick. It's so sick, man. I got my camera bag in here with all my stuff. Oh God, so sick. I can't believe this is real life, bro. it.